What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to work with and assemble the snap lock ducting. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, go ahead and make sure you're wearing gloves because this sheet metal is like razor sharp. But this snap ring ducting, snap lock ducting works on a tongue and groove. So the side on the right is the tongue and the side on the left is the groove, and it just basically snaps together. And this is, they leave it like this so you can cut it before you lock it up. So you're going to want to cut, usually you're going to cut the side that's not crimped. That's usually the edge you're going to cut. So you're going to want to cut it with some regular tin snips and just cut it all the way around before you lock it. Alright, now to assemble it, we're just going to lay it down on the ground between our legs like this. We're going to stick this tongue on the right side, and we're just going to start pressing it into the groove all the way down. Here's a point of view shot from me, and it just snaps like that, and it locks in place. Now you're ready to put it up in the ducting and install it, and that's it, guys. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out all my other videos. I got a couple videos on how to install a range hood and vent it all the way out. But thanks for watching Johnny DIY, guys. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.